Te tau hoko a te lewaini ki he tau taleniti he whiawhini. Taleniti koia o e whiawhini. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to welcome to the stage. Put your hands together as we make a warm welcome to contestant number 1 in the talent category tonight, the one and only Miss Tourism Talanoa Moheloto Fefita.
Whakatap ki o tua i o taulotolo Tonga. Tap ki e hawe whanua, tui tupo wono, pia moi whale o ha moi ofo. Tap ki whawhi whalanglangi o i katoa ngani, pia pehe ke sola moi vulangi o tau kau katoa i he whiawhini. Welcome, O treasures of Tonga. Our island, our kingdom, is one of many great stewards of the Pacific Ocean, a vastness that is often perceived as isolating and cold, but that is far from the truth. Through song and dance, allow me to take you on a journey to experience the beauty, the warmth, and the friendship of our Pacific islands across the sea. Our beloved Moana is home to many island countries, some of which join us in making of Polynesia. So let me say, aloha, from the beautiful island of Hawaii, where hula is the language of the people.
I am Hawaii. I am forever. I will always be kind to you. May gentle rain wash your cares far out to sea. Come you dreamers and dream with me. I am Hawaii. I am the flower.
Yorana, from the beautiful island of Tahiti. Talofa lava, from the heart of the Pacific, Samoa. And as a daughter of the Kingdom of Tonga, your Miss Tourism 2024, Ma'aloelele.
Come and
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for contestant number 1 this evening on the talent stage, Miss Tourism Talanoa Moheloto Fefita. Tongatapu whikaua ki he whunga Stacey e whiawhini. Contestant number 2 on the stage tonight, ladies and gentlemen, will be Miss Ewa Tourism Manosiu Tapaita Tupelina Havea. Whakatapu atu ki e talamalu e whonua, kai ata ki o whakahoko atu hoko tale niti ne fuaki he otua. Nā ako graduate me he Liahauna High School he wāwhi mawatolu I e Fashion Design Level 2. I have a passion on fashion. I decided to design this dress that I am wearing and I want to showcase my design with a waltz. I'm dreaming of becoming a fashion designer at Ewa in the future. I also have a passion on Pacific dances and Tongan dances as well. Therefore, I would perform a mix of dances. I will start with a waltz, then perform a Hawaiian hula, Samoan siva, Cook Islands dance, and then perform a Tongan dance, which I love the most. He niongo, ha ko whaiva, ha ngahi whaiva, o ko ke manako makehe, ke whaiwai e tau ngahi whaiva whakatonga. Ko e ko whakaamuia ki e kahau, te utokoni, ki hono a koi e to tupo e ua, ki ngahi whaiva whakatonga, ke na wongoi connected to our ancestors. Mo nau ilo ko haiki nau tolu, ko hawhewhine I whunua tonga, pe tangata I whunua tonga, o ko mate a kii mo Laukau'anga a tonga. O whalahi atu, manosiu tapaita tupelina havea, Miss Ewa Tourism o wawhe Maa'imoa. he whakaleale I tale niti e pia whini contestant whika ua he pōni. Miss Ewa Tourism, mano siu tapaita tupulina havea mō pasipasi I mai. We're going to move along now to contestant number 3. So if our judges are ready for contestant number 3, ladies and gentlemen, to grace our stage will be Miss Lady Maria Tonga Australia, Gabriela Maria Agostina Mailangi. Matafi pe Tonga I he langi maa. Pea ofa ke ngofua, pea ofa ke ata. Kai whakawhatula atu se eko tale niti ki he pōni. I ue, kai whewhe se eko whakawhotunga ki he pōni, mo ne kā kunga ki hoko tale niti. Ka hoko tale niti, kai hula whakatahiti, pe te okamata atu pe me hoku kake I. Ka hoku haku koe, kai whau ne tā mai me he taulanga Port of Refugees. O tatao, I he vaiko lelea, pe hake ia o whi aki hoku haku, pe whi siki mai me loto ai fulufulu I kōki. Isa, hono lanu, mono mahu inga, mono uhinga ki e pōni, ai different colours but one people. Pe whakamau whatu ai ngahi kako I loa ai Tonga, ki hono ulu, pe piki ki ai ngahi fulufulu I kōki, ke hoa ki hono kaku. Tuku ke uhula, he ku oso e pangai ma hono uhinga. Ko hoki I tale niti ia, te whakaha I he pōni, mo pasipasi I mai contestant whikatolu, Miss Lady Maria Tonga Australia, Gabriela Maria Agostina Mailangi. Give it up, ladies and gentlemen, for contestant number 3. and gentlemen, contestant number 3 on the stage tonight, Miss Lady Maria Tonga, Australia, Gabriela Maria Agostina Mailangi. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 4, Miss Fia Dance Academy, Vaimoana Akesa Louise Holeva Malupo. Whakawhetai ki a Sihova, hoko lau maarie. Mo ia kotoa pē, oko ia te au. Whakawhetai ki hono huafa, mā oni oni e. Whakawhetai ki a Sihova, hoko lau maarie, pe oua na angalo, ene mea ofa furi pē. Ko hoku ingoa, ko Vaimoana, Akesa, Louise, Latai, Holeva, Malupo. Ko hoku tale niti, ko whakalangi o tua, aki hoku le o, mo whainga mea lea pē. Ko hiva te o whai he pōni, ko whauia he taha o e ku whangakui ku mamao, ka koe founder o e siasi Emanuela Revival Church, ko Reverend Whaiwhekao Vika, Tu'ulaki Tau Wills. Ne fua toko taha e sisu, ofa ke tāpuaki ki mo tolu e he eiki. fua tongataha be e si su whauia a late Reverend Vicar Wills. Pea hiwa ia tui e whiawhine he contestant Fika Wha, Miss Fia Dance Academy, vai moana a Kesa Louise Holeva Malupo. The Matavai Cultural Dance Group all the way from Sydney, Australia. And one thing that's very special about this group is that the directors of this group are the parents of our current reigning Miss Samoa and Miss Pacific Islands. So ladies and gentlemen, I'd like you to put your hands together as we kindly welcome to the stage, all the way from Australia, the one, the only Matavai Cultural Dance Group.
Kawe moki ka talo ko ni ani po
Iwa ihi e motuka motua Kau whakame i te makala no ki no tukunga Si o ta whanua mohono whaunga Ke tulo umo e tala malu e hau whanua Iwa ihi e motuka motua Kau whakame i te makala no ki no tukunga Si o ta whanua mohono whaunga O ka pohau e katanima Pea langanga e tuka i oluna Ae toka tuka tupu a pea hiri o hono kau mua ka hapu ka pi A taru mei mua He whetu ia ki hakau whatuna moe a mata Lalawa o tama e hono ka wha Kau haka he longi he Maa'imoa tuku whanua E walau kau hata kuoka O ka pohau e katanilua Pea lalanga e tuka i oluna Ae toka tuke tupu a pea hiri o hono kau mua ka hapu ka pi A taru mei mua Ahine pe'i e ka mai e Fumo e tala, fumo e kafa O e tumatupua Tupu le whanua ka hono lalanga O e kau whatunga motua Ao ni uai ala lomo uta a whanua motu mo e hifofu E kano kupolu i mala e kula Tuke ana ia oe motu kako ene fuka Si ene ta'alo koe whano mono Ke kaloni karitala i e moto Tatua moto matofi a e nofo Heilala loa ilo e he poto Mo unga o tunga ka kohono loto Ka kohono loto ke puna pe hapo he kohono loto He iyo He iyo Na e whakakupe a ane whe Ke whakatapu i pe toi vete Tuku pe mua ho tau e whe Ke tatoki tuki ha aho ke he Te ufoki be ki ha tau tapu Halaka pala molo a manu He koe tatu a moe walau Haka he kaloni tala e lo au He kaloni kari tala i e moto Tatu a moto matofi a e nofo He ilo la loa ilo e he poto Mo unga o tunga ka kohono loto He ka kohono loto ke puna pe hapo he kohono loto He iyo He iyo Na e whakakupe a ane whe Ke whakatapu i pe toi vete Tuku pe mua ho tau e whe Ke tatoki tuki ha aho ke he Te ufoki be ki ha tau tapu I halaka kala molo a manu tatu a moe malau haka he taloni kala elo au. Oi!
Hoi ki mō kainga mō pasipasi mai ai grupo Fipe koe a matawai mei sene Australia. Una wihenia e fia whini ke whaari aare ngai Fipe whakatonga. Pako taha whoki e tau mua koe a grupo koe ni ke pautoloa ke a tau whatunga matu a tonga i he whaiva pe mai tau lea whakatonga pe ka ngata pe ki tonga ko toi au atu whoki e nau ngā oe ke kakai me he umatakari ke keho e Pasifiki o ku nau nofo au nofo ke konene niti koea o Australia. Ladies and gentlemen, Fia whoki ke taritara lei ke whunga Stacey e fia whini a contestant whika ono Miss Tonga Hawaii Gracelyn Kelly Nanaimo Foto Aika. Polynesian dance is the heartbeat of my identity, weaving the stories of my ancestors into every movement and gesture. Through the dance, we honour the rich traditions and tales handed down from generation to generation, a living testament to our heritage. Tonight, my talent will be a medley of some of the most vibrant Polynesian dances dedicated to our Heavenly Father, the resilient people of Safune, and to all of you gathered here tonight. Let the rhythm and grace transport you to the captivating shores of Safune, the enchanting Cook Islands, and my beloved home, Hawaii. So sit back, relax, and join me on this cultural journey through the spirit of Polynesia.
If you level, the fat out of us, fade away to the bay, Maa'imoa, Samoa, from my name, basic. Basically, I was out of fire, Latu, my fascinating way, Hangamarosi. Safune Tower, and they pull on his laugh, I was smell of a fonga. Taya! So, I pay your little puya to a lemoso. Emani, Tiletino, and Pisana.
Pasa hereki tula pare. Koe aiuri no ui whahamoa. Poke my head again, hit that menu. Tonga no Tonga.
Ahoho o te miti te avarua. Ua tau titi hia ta uari. I te tiare a pentai. Tiare una toto'u aia herehia e aue puturoa mata aia I matotea te nia te mua te raro
tukuki. Ki Hawaii.
Hone ana o ese kuboli Mehe ala no ei mai ala Au he akule Roselani Mehe ala no ei mai ala Au he akule Roselani Malihini oe Malihini au Makaihu ka hawala I ka maena Malihini oe Malihini au Makaihu ka hawala I ka maena Ina oyu me au Kau kono I ka no pai pai Ina oyu me au Somebody sitting in my rocking chair Haina ia mai kapuana Hone ana o ese kupoli Haina ia mai kapuana Hone ana o ese upoli Upoli Upoli
Give it up for contestant number 6, ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Tonga Hawaii, Graceland Kelly Nanaimo Fotoaika. Whakamalotu ki he contestant koe ni ko toki o si, whika ono. Miss Tonga Hawaii. Pea ko tui peo kia ni ia teke mo tolu mo whiwhiri ko hahono uhinga na tau lakasi ai contestant whika nima. Ko uhinga ki ai o ki ai ki palopalema whakatiki ni kale pe moi screen lahi ko ia he funga Stacey. Pe ko konga whoki e whakaleali tale niti ko ia ai contestant whika nima a Miss Appraxus no sila o kune fia mao ai screen. Ko ia te tau toi whoki mai ki ai, kai tukuangi mo e whainga maali e ke kau tau kei, ke whaiha ngāwe ki e screen, ke whakalelei, mo tokoni ki ai, ka lotonga ko ia te tau hoko atu, pe mai toinga kau whinemui o kuna o tatari mai mei he tawhaaki. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's get ready to welcome to the stage in our talent category tonight, none other than contestant number 7, Miss Vava'o Heilala, Sofron Cosmios Ofakimoana Latu. Sofron Cosmios Ofakimoana Latu will be performing a medley, a combination of Tongan, Samoan and Tahitian dances. Growing up, she loved dancing and embracing all these talents. Her costume is made up of tapa cloth with gentle strikes of designs that illustrate originality and uniqueness of our cultures. Transitioning through these items, she will showcase skills and movements harmonizing with these outstanding artists. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 7, Miss Vava'o Heilala, Sofron Cosmios Ofakimoana Latu.
Isa e te taia moni laloni koula Ko hoko papai le tui whakamanurua Usuhe maahisi ahono na ua Ke uhifo akiki he amai o vuna Taukana we whatawhata mawhana Piri o te pē, he api ko
Mahoho o te miti, te awarua.
O tu kuki. Pidang ano te
I te tiare a petai, tiare una no to'u aia herehia e aue maraamu taurere e mata i to'u aia te pua te iraro te pua, te iraro, paho. Te pua, te iraro, paho.
Bringing the vibrance of some of our neighbouring Pacific Island nations. Ladies and gentlemen, that was your contestant number 7, Ms. Vava'o Heilala, Sofron Cosmias of Kimoana Latu. Ladies and gentlemen, our 8th contestant tonight is Miss Tonga, China Friendship Association, Susi Elisabeti Brigitta Caprian Tonga. My talent for tonight is a Chinese ancient dance. The music is Dan Yuan Ren Chang Jiu. How long will the full moon appear? This dance teaches children to have a better understanding of spatial relationships and learn to think with both sides of their brain. Humans have times of sadness, happiness, parties, partings, meetings, and we only wish that we last forever. As I perform my dance tonight, read my hand movements and imagine being at a high place and wouldn't be able to withstand the cold. Being at a high position would let one feel lonely. Malo Albito, ladies and gentlemen, introducing contestant number 8 with Tonga, China Friendship Association, the one and only Susi Elisabeti Brigitta Caprian Tonga.
Talong Pakistan.
但愿人长久。
Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 8, Miss Tonga China Friendship Association, Susie Elisabeti Brigita Cabrian Tonga. Contestant number 5. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 5 this evening is the one and only Miss Appraxus New Zealand 2024, Mele Maa'imoa he Lotukalafi Finau. A famous Maa'imoa of Her late Majesty Queen Salotitupo III notes, Fipe si Tonga, ko si weli o Pasifiki. Alas, dear Tonga remains the jewel of the Pacific. For her talent tonight, Miss Appraxus New Zealand shares the journey of her migration journey and story. She will use song as the vehicle to carry us through her journey around the world, highlighting the people, cultural experiences, and languages she has come across in life that have molded her over the years. As a proud daughter of the kingdom, Mele starts right here at home, Tonga, the birthplace of her parents and the land in which her heart is rooted in. She'll then take us to Fiji, a neighbouring island with strong blood connections to the Kingdom of Tonga and also Mele's place of birth and upbringing. We then find ourselves immersed in Chinese culture, just as Mele was when attending the Yixin Chinese primary school. The journey then takes a turn to Aotearoa, the land of the long white cloud and current home to Mele Finau, where she completed her conjoint Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Global Studies and is currently completing her Masters in Global Studies. And then finally we return home to Tonga, where Mele reconnects to her motherland and people, concluding that while she has lived through all of these different phases in her life, Tonga will always remain the jewel of the Pacific to her. Her kingdom is her pride. Tua whātu, kua Mele Maa'imoa he Lotukalafi Finau, Miss Appraxus New Zealand 2024, your contestant number 5.
Gatinya sioto se Manakakapu ala kapu yai asi ete ofa ha sino mai ho Tonga ka e vai fa aloi fofonga ka e vai fa aloi fofonga hau vakila nindi na pekenga na nongu na numa ni umai luvutu e no asa tindombu ni oda tu na bankakara ni oda lova a tu na tona moredico tomoniko mamusevi Nongulatale, andando mona, andando mona.朋友一时一起走，大小日子不再 话，一辈子一生情，一杯酒。朋友不谈不谈过，朋友你会懂，还有伤，还有痛，还要走，还有我。Mapi maurea whakakai marihi Nera te kaupapa ko te reo Maori He taunga tuku ia no ngā tīhuna He pare kawa kawa he mea hira hira Tōku reo tōku oho Mapi maurea whakakai marihi Tōku reo tōku oho Mapi maurea whakakai marihi Oi au e oi au Lau pea e au Lau tōtua e o koe atu ngā lau Ha sino mai ho o Tonga Ka e vai whaalo i fofona Ka e vai whaalo i fofona
Miss Appraxus New Zealand 2024, the one and only Mele Maa'imoa he Lotukalafi Finau. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to move along now to contestant number 9. Contestant number 9, ladies and gentlemen, is Miss Ha'apai Masani, Fipe, Latai, Holeva, Finau. Whakatulo atu, he mai talamalo e whonua, mo ngahi kawha o totonu ke whakatapua. Kai ata, ke o lave atu, ke tale niti, mo kake i teu teu, o Miss Ha'apai Masani. Ko hono tale niti, o ko whakataha i ai, hasiva whakaha'amoa, pe moe tau o lunga afi. Ko hono kake i kamata, koe kie ha'amoa, ai la langa, i ne whangakui me upolu Samoa. Koe ne kui, koe makai, me koe hele oku ne ngawe aki, koe hele tupu whakaholo me he ne whangakui. Pena i loa foki, koe nifo oti. Koe tauhi whanua pe, koe malu i o upolu talu me mua. Koe konga hono ua hono taleniti, koe whakame i te aki e a whi. Kono kake i, koe tupenu launu uri uri, pe tā aki, e ngahi kupesi teu teu ai whewhine tonga, o whakailonga launu koula, he whakamahino, koe aho mahu inga eni, ki e tonga kotoa, he kei la koe whielelei, ai hao e whonua, o tawa o si ai, hono aho aloi. Koe poi, o kune ngawe aki, koe whakatātā, ki e nau e kau Māori, ka koe poini nai tā mo whakafuo i ene whangawha e tangata me makawela o tofua, te tutu ai pē me he ngoto umu o tofua. Ke whakaha aki ene tau kei hono whakame ite aki e a whi. Koe tau lua eni hono taleniti, ke toi whakamanatu mai e poto o i Tonga he kuahiri, he ngahi whiau auhi o i ngahi otomotu o i Pasifiki. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your contestant number 9, Miss Ha'apai Masani, Fipe, Latai, Holeva, Finau.
Whata mai poki, e kau tangata. tutu mai here. Koe poi une ngawe aki. Ulo he tai meni. Nima ni hema dao.
Ladies and gentlemen, a fiery performance tonight by contestant number 9, Miss Heart by Masani, Fipe Latai, Holeva, Finau. Kolope ke vela e tau Stacey he poni ke haupe. We'll give a moment to our judges to compile your scores. Kai lotonga koia e tapiripiri foki e kaungau e koia e taki mamata. E uhi o loki kohu foki e funga Stacey he taimini. Ko whiu tukua ki taimi pe, ko uhi o ku kei kohu foki e funga Stacey he whiawhini. Ka te ulawa tu pe ai kao sponsor mo ngai business o kuna popo mai ki he tau polokalama koia e wiki Heilala kai whainga maari e ke manava ai funga Stacey I he pōni. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm just going to acknowledge our sponsors this evening to afford some time to our stage to clear its atmosphere and clear the air tonight, reminding everyone that tonight's venue is a non-smoking venue here at Heilala Village. I'd like to thank the Ministry of Tourism and the Government of the Kingdom of Tonga, Tonga Tourism Authority, the National Airline of beautiful Fiji, Fiji Airways, New City Party Rentals, Tonga Power Limited, and also the Ports Authority of Tonga for sponsoring tonight's program. Not forgetting our elite sponsors, the Embassy of the People's Republic of China, His Excellency Matthew Howell, the New Zealand High Commission, the National Reserve Bank of Tonga, MBF Bank, Anton Rajapakse, Tanoa Dateline Hotel, Hoku Arts, Vaimoana Media, Digicel Tonga Limited, the Bank of the South Pacific, John Sullivan and Lion Liquor, Razak and Spare Parts Zone Tonga, Little Italy Hotel and Restaurant, Sino Union Economic Company Limited. And not forgetting, of course, our silver sponsors this evening, which are Liz and Waterfront Lodge and Restaurant, Rob Sullivan and Billfish Bar and Restaurant, Peseti Ma'afu and Nuku'alofa Resort, Tonga Health, Finau Beauty, Nishi Trading, Sunshine Rentals, M&J Water Tank Company, and Tonga Rotomol. Koe kau sponsor I au kuna popo mai ki he tau polokalama koia I he whiawhini. Whamanato atu whokia e ngahi tikite. Tikite koia ki he whainolo, pia I he po a pongpongi, koe polo whokia I he whiawhia pongpongi, pia koe whiawhi pe koia whakahoko ai tale whihu I whakamoimoi, pia he whoka ono hiri whaka o kalauni ki he whinimoi koia, tene I kuna ai Miss Heilala o e tau ni wāwhi māua whā. Koe tikite panga ni manoa ki tikite taha, koe tikite VIP o panga e te au, mao whakatoloa pe bea mei he ofisi take mamata atonga I he halavuna. We're also very honoured this evening for the support of the National Airline of Fiji, Fiji Airways, who is one of our supreme sponsors this evening. The winner of Miss Heilala 2024 will receive 2 return airline tickets to the United States of America to one of 3 destinations in the United States that Fiji Airways flies to, which is San Francisco, Los Angeles or Honolulu in beautiful Hawaii. The first runner-up will receive 2 return tickets to Asia to either of the 3 destinations that Fiji Airways services, including Hong Kong, Singapore or Tokyo Narita in Japan. The second runner-up will receive 2 return tickets to Australia to one of the following destinations that are serviced by Fiji Airways, Canberra, Melbourne, Brisbane or Adelaide. And the winner of the Miss Tawalunga will receive 2 return airline tickets to New Zealand to one of 3 destinations serviced by Fiji Airways, Auckland, Wellington or Christchurch. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready now to put our hands together. Welcome to the stage, your contestant number 10, Miss AGT and Maa'imoa Catering, Racheal, Angelica or Manakakapu, Guttenbeil. In the heart of the Pacific, women stand as towering pillars of strength, embodying resilience and grace amidst the ebb and flow of life's currents. They are the guardians of tradition, the bearers of culture, and the nurturers of generations to come. Among them stands a figure reminiscent of the Tongan goddess Hikuleo, whose spirit illuminates the darkest of nights with her radiant presence. Like Hikuleo, Pacific women traverse the challenges of time with unwavering determination, their essence intertwined with the very fabric of our islands. My talent is dedicated to my mother, Corina Guttenbeil, a modern-day embodiment of Hikuleo's enduring grace. After enduring the loss of her husband and one of her children, she has never shown a moment of weakness. Instead, she stands tall, her spirit unbroken, with a smile on her face and words of encouragement on her lips. In the face of adversity, she remains a beacon of hope and strength for our family, inspiring us to pursue our dreams and aspirations with unwavering resolve. Her unwavering love and steadfast support have shaped us into the individuals we are today. Let us lift their stories from the depths of obscurity and illuminate the path they tread. For Pacific women are the anchors that hold us steady in the storm, the guiding stars that lead us home. Their legacy, like that of Hikuleo, is woven into the very fabric of our islands, a testament to the enduring power of the feminine spirit in shaping our collective destiny. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome contestant number 10, Miss AGT and Maa'imoa Catering, Racheal, Angelica or Manakakapu, Guttenbeil.
Say
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get a for this AGT and Maa'imoa Catering. Contestant number 10, Racheal Angelica of Manakakapu, Guttenbeil. Te tukuanga whangamari, ke kau whakamau, ke whakamau opo, poina o poini he whia whini. O whātonga e o kia ki I drone o ku lo tonga puna whoki o lunga ia tau tole e whia whini ke mau e u ata maa lia mo whakaholoma mata o I whiauhi e whia whini. We have two contestants remaining in tonight's competition. That will be contestant number 11 and contestant number 12. But at the moment, we're just going to have a quick break with an entertainment group all the way from the village of Ha'ateho tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, can we give a warm Ha'ateho welcome to the Sila Pelua Academy Entertainment Group entertaining us on the stage right now. Mo paspasi mai ai kau whaiva koini ai Sila Pelua, tena whakahoko ha whakameite maatautolu I e whiawhini. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Sila Pelua Dance Academy tonight, bringing us the sweet fragrances of the islands of French Polynesia and Tahiti to the stage this evening. And I understand they will be back a little bit later in the program to entertain us while the judges will be adding up their scores. But without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, it's time now to introduce your contestant number 11 to the stage, Miss Kalapu Kolokakala, Salt Lake City, Sila Tiana Vakapuna. And while Salafo's getting set up, we'd like to welcome all of our viewers tuning in on our live stream around the world, especially to our Tongan diaspora tuning in from Hawaii, America, New Zealand, Aotearoa, Australia, throughout the Pacific, Asia and Europe. Thank you for joining us here from the Heilala village, from the heart of the Kingdom of Tonga, from the royal capital, Nuku'alofa.
Good evening, everyone. Tonight I will be singing a song by Beyonce, Listen. I chose this song because sometimes people tend to keep us in our little box, but here we can just tell them no, and that we're going to spread our wings and fly. So, thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, your contestant number 11 tonight on the stage, Miss Kalapu Kolokakala, Salt Lake City, Selafu Tiana Vakapuna. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I know you've been waiting for this moment all night. We're moving now to our final contestant in tonight's program, and that is contestant number 12, Miss Appraxus New Zealand, Akosita Fa'alangi Ofa Ki Vava'u Guttenbeil. Tākanga e tau fohe. The heart of this Tongan proverb is strength in unity. As the ancient warrior goddess Hikoleo, Akosita leads her people of Tonga, calling them to unite to overcome struggles and barriers within society. For her talent tonight, Miss Appraxus Tonga has chosen to highlight 3 major aspects of achieving unity as a people. The first focuses on inclusivity to those who are marginalized in everyday society. In this instance, she urges us to reach out to our hearing impaired community as she has through learning to communicate through the use of sign language. Number 2, the second point looks at how, as a nation, we have experienced tribulation. The most recent being the eruption of the Hungatonga Hungaha'apai volcano. Many homes, coastal villages, and families were devastated by this. But as in the resilience of the Tongan people, guided by God and forefronted by His Majesty King Tupou VI and the royal family that carried us through this disaster. The final aspect highlights the significance of empowerment. It is the importance of reaching out to the community and uplifting one another through words of encouragement or simple gestures such as a smile, a hug, or a nod of acknowledgement. Akosita relays that the strength of the Tongan people comes through unity. That is unity through inclusivity, unity through tribulation, and unity through empowerment. That is my kingdom. That is my pride. Tua o whātu, kua o Akosita whaalangi o whakiwawa o Guttenbeil, Miss Appraxus Tonga 2024, your contestant number 12. Whilst we wait for the commencement of contestant number 12's item this evening on the talent stage, I'd also like to acknowledge again tonight that we're here with the Director of Tonga Tourism Authority from Ha'apai, Mr. Finau Walter, and also the Director of Tonga Tourism Authority from Vavaulahi, Alwyn Moa. Mo paspasi mai o ngā tale ki te koini o Tonga Tourism Authority me he whai o neo ne me Ha'apai, pea me he lola halai valo me Vavaulahi.
Kids are still traumatized from the event. Whenever they hear a loud sound or the thunder, they'll run.
Shut down in flames. What's left to do? These broken pieces on the floor. Losing my voice, calling on you. I've been shaking, I've been bending backwards till I'm cold. Watching all these dreams go out in snow.
For you, attention.
This that bird, this ain't no perm. This that nappy, this that herb, this that kinfolk, this that skinfolk, this that war, this that bloodline on the front line, ready for war. Where you going? protect my grace. Keep it locked in the safe. Don't make me get back to my ways. My power they never take. Don't never take my power. Don't never take my power. They feel away. Oh wow. They feel away. Oh wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 12 tonight, Mr. Appraxus, New Zealand, Akosita Fa'alangi Opa ki Maba'u Guttenbeil. Koe ne lava ka kato ia ai kau whina moe honga fulu maua o ngana o veipa I he category koe a tale nite e pia whini. Kai whainga maari koe ne kau whakamau mo kau ātita ke whakahoko nau whatongia. Mau pia toi whakatā pē ai Punga Stacey e whia whini ki e kau whaiva koe mei he Sila Pelua Academy. Tēnā whakahoko ha whakamei te mātau tolo e whia whini. Hi mua ia pe tau hoko atu. Ki hono whakamao popokoia ai poini o I pō talaniti e whia whini. Now once again this evening we will be giving out the results of the top 5 in talent in no particular order. So it will be a random order tonight, the top 5 in the talent. So you can do the math during the week, working out the different scores along the week. But tonight will be the scores for our talent category. Without any further ado, put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for the Sila Pelua Dance Academy. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and keep your applause going for the Sila Pelua Dance Academy all the way from Ha'ateho tonight. We're now waiting for the scores to be compiled here this evening by our judging panel, together with the Auditors this evening, lo tongatare tali atu koia ki he whatongia koe kau whakamau, he nao whenga oe aki whakataha pe moe a tita I he whiawhini, ki he paupapau I pe o kutonu, pe mau maaria ai ngahi maka, ki mo ia pe lau atu I he whiawhini ai toko nima. O no particular order, ka koe toko nima koia, na nau tuki mua I he taleniti I he whiawhini. Hoi ka mō kainga moto paspasi I mai ai Sila Pelua Dance Academy nau lava mai e whiawhini ke whakahoko ma whakari ali mo nau taleniti a nau tolo e whiawhini lo tonga koia ai pō taleniti I heni pē I he kolo Heilala I Nuku'alofani. Ki mua pia lawa ata e ola koia o e taleniti e whiawhini ko whitukuange pē mua whainga maari koe ni ki a lovely maka koe kauwhokia I he puate koe ni ai Tonga Tourism Association me kai koia pē toi whaiwhatongi a whokia I office koia o Fiji Airways ka o whae hai ki lea whakamalo I he taimini. I'd like to call upon lovely Maka, an executive of the Tonga Tourism Association, but also from Fiji Airways, one of our supreme sponsors this evening, to kindly come to the podium and share a vote of thanks.
Whai honoa whaki ki mua, ka o atwe haki whakamalo me he Tonga Tourist Association, ko tarango fua beki he mau Palestini, so saya moe hau, ke u whai a whatongia koe ni, ko hui koe ke lava mai peseti. Ko ia, ato e whamalo ke te ki mo tolu. Pe foki ke whalangirangi, pa se mata vi tauni sila, pe he foki ki he Eik Minister o taki mamata, Dr. Biliami Waske Latu. O koe foki mo e wha tapu mamahe, ki he kau whewhine hoi hoi fua, ko nau vei pahe ngahi pō kakato e whiawhi nima ko eni te tau katoanga I aho e tui, ke whai ake ai whakamanatu aho no aho aloi. Koi. O ta whamalo ki he hongotale kita he poate, ki a Elwin Moa me wawau, pe he whoka Finau wata me hapai. O atu mo whamalo roto honga mo oni, ki he sea ka whakamau, Tulsi Day, pe he whoki ke ka whakamau, ne nau fua e whatongia mamafa o e whiawhi koe ni, pe he whoki e kau atita. O atu mo e whakamalo mawahe ke kau sponsor, a kau whine mui koe ni, o e theme mahu inga o e tau ni, My Kingdom, My Pride. O kai ke tau I heni, ko tau whiauhi, ko tau I heni, ke tuwaki ho tau tonga, mo tau talaki, ai tau whakaawho ofa, a natural beauty pe o e tonga. Ko whamaloat ke kau tahine, hoi hoi fua, he pō koe ni, kai o maha whoki mo kau sponsor, ne nau tūtawha aki, hono teke ki mō tolu ke mō kau mai, ke ngahi whakawhiawhia o aho aloi, ka koha event ni ana e lele mai he tau e whaangofulu tupu, o tūtawha aki ai Tonga Tourist Association I hono whataki, kai maa whoki ai ministry, oku teke mui me ai, behind the scene e o tangata koe ni, CEO William Takau, ka maso sai mohau, I hono whataki mai e ngahi whatongia, ke tau lave monu ai I por kalama koe ni. O ata e whakamalo mawahe ki MC, me hoko mai he ngahi pō koe ni. Oku makehe atu a MC a tangata muri koe ni, kaku osiliriu tonga pe ia. Pe au whakaafo ofa apito I nelea, o tau mo ngahi poro kalama. Na tau wikuna he ngahi e whiawhi ko mali watu. Whamalo whoka ki motolo no kotoa pe, ai whamili, mo whataki mai, ai katoanga koe ni, ke o mai ho mo whanau, ke whakaariari e tau whakaafo ofa whakaitonga. Ho nau tale niti, nau hoi hoi fua, kai o maa whoki, ho nau urunganga. Koia koe ki whakamalo tu a peia, ko whai atu he whiawhi koe ni. Kana ngalo pe ke whakahatu pe ko hai au, ma pena istalatu e, ko e sponsor fo loa taha eni I he Heilala, ka mata mai me he mistonga o hauai, Nena I kai ke toi hoko te ue alaini koe, pea nau osiat ki nau tolu, ko Fiji Airways pen o ke hoko atu, a tokoni a Tonga, fataki e Miss Heilala, mohono tu uake ka whewhine, whakaafo ofa au tawi hena he pōni, koe a pea ki rea tua o whaatka ki mo tolu, malo apito.
Malo Opito, lovely maka, pia me Fiji Airways, pia my executive koia e Tonga Tourism Association. I'd like to call the girls to make their way to the stage, and while they're making their way onto the stage this evening, before we read out the final results, I'd just like to acknowledge our sponsors again, one more time. To our supreme sponsors is the Ministry of Tourism and the Government of Tonga, Tonga Tourism Authority, Fiji Airways, New City Party Rentals, Tonga Power Limited, and the Ports Authority of the Kingdom of Tonga. Our elite sponsors this evening is the Embassy of the People's Republic of China, His Excellency Matthew Howell, and the New Zealand High Commission to the Kingdom of Tonga. National Reserve Bank of Tonga, the MBF Bank, Anton Rajapakse, Tanoa Dateline Hotel, Whehoko Arts and Vaimoana Media. The platinum sponsors this evening is Digicel Tonga Limited, the Bank of the South Pacific, John Sullivan and Lion Liquor, Razak and Spare Parts Zone Tonga, Little Italy Hotel and Restaurant, Sino Union Economic Company Limited. And our silver sponsors tonight is Liz and the Waterfront Lodge and Restaurant, Rob Sullivan and the Billfish Bar and Restaurant, Peseti Ma'afu and Nuku'alofa Resort, Tonga Health, Finau Beauty, Nishi Trading, Sunshine Rentals, M&J Water Tank Company, and Tonga Rotomol. Mo paspasi mai kotoa, ai kau sponsor koia na nau tokoni mai mo popo mai ke lama o whakahoko atu koia, ai tau whiaui whiri Miss Hoi Hoi Fua koia Miss Heilala o e tauni. And to our lovely 12 contestants on the stage tonight, if I could just ask you to take 3 steps forward when we get calling the top 5. So when we call out the top 5, if you guys could take 3 steps forward. Kore atu, ki kau whenimui o ka paugulau ho hingoa I he toko nima toki mua to move forward on the stage, please. So ladies and gentlemen, this is in no particular order, but these are your top 5 for tonight. The first of our top 5, ladies and gentlemen, in the talent category, Miss Fia Dance Academy, Vaimoana, Akesa, Louise, Latai, Holeva, Malupo. Our next contestant in the top 5 tonight for talent, Miss Appraxus New Zealand, Mele, Maa'imoa, Lotukalafi, Finau. Our third in our top 5 this evening for talent is Miss Ha'apai Masani, Fipe, Latai, Holeva, Finau. Our fourth contestant in our top 5, ladies and gentlemen, Miss AGT and Maa'imoa Catering, Racheal, Angelica, or Manakakapu, Guttenbeil. And our fifth and final contestant to make it through to the top 5 in our talent tonight, ladies and gentlemen, is Miss Appraxus Tonga, Akosita, Fa'alangi, Ofa, Kibaba'u, Guttenbeil. Nau tolu kuia, ai toko nima tuki mua I he taleniti. Congratulations. Let's give a big round of applause for all of our contestants tonight. They have done an absolutely amazing job. From the interview, through to the sarong, swimwear, through to the tawalunga and the teunga tawalunga, and of course tonight the talent. Tomorrow there is one more judge category, and that is the final interview questions during our ball and the crowning of Miss Heilala 2024-2025 tomorrow night. Remember, tomorrow night is not open. It's not an open. You have to have a ticket to come tomorrow evening. Remember to purchase your tickets for 50 pa'anga for 1 ticket or 100 pa'anga for a VIP ticket from the tourism office on Vuna Road tomorrow in order to be here tonight. Tomorrow night, remember, it's formal wear. We will be checking at the doorway. Make sure that it's formal, black tie, gown, the whole box and dice, as they say. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to call upon Reverend Olivia Fatongia Latu from the Waianae United Methodist Church from Honolulu, Hawaii, as she would kindly make her way to the front to close tonight's proceedings in a word of prayer. And then after that, we'll be moving on to a group photo with our delegates here at the front and our 12 contestants. Whangamari koe ni, tuku anga atu ki whaingama ki he whaifekau Reverend Olivia Fatongia Latu, me he sease metotisi ko ia a Waianae me Honolulu, Hawaii, ke whakahoko e tau lotu tuku I he whiawhini. Malo au pito.
taulotu. Mau whawhetaya te o tua mafi. Ko omi ki mātou ke mawausia e whakasianga. O whehe anga koe ni. Mau whamalo atu. Ko hi koe kauwhine mui koe ni. Ko nau whatapa mai e huelo. O e awhiona. Ko nau ngahitare ni ti. Ke mau inasi ai. Pio mau wako ai he whiawhini. Ko ia ko mau whakafoki atu. Ai langi. Pio mo ngeia ko toa pe. O kau whine mui koe ni. Ke whafoki atu ke lang ia ai. Koe mau lotu ia, mau kore ke lau maria e a Fiona. Ke whakamalu, ai whaafe whalang o e fiaf koeni. Pase mata tansia. Kore ke lau maria ke pantata ngai mea lere kotoa pia. Ke mau fōu atu ki api. Ke oua na iaha watu tamaki. Te ria na amere. Ai ngā au e whakafo ofa o e whiawhini. Koe mau lotu ia i wafa o tamai, pe moi alo, pe moi lau maari e maa oni. E nene.
Malo pito whai whekao, hoi ke mokainga, manatu i ke tau toi heni ai po a pongpongi, ono e whiawhi, ke whainolo kuia, pe mono hiri whaki kuia kalauni o Miss Heilala wafe maua nima, i e po a pongpongi, manatu i homo tiki te, manatu i homo kauni, mo e teunga koe whomolo.
Koe kakatoi. Whaipatongia te wāwhitu poini māpa pe poki ki he live stream ko i Broadcom FM Broadcasting. Me he koro Heilala. Me he wafko una me Nuku'alofa. Ke whaafofa pe he taronga Nuku'alofa ngā hi waka koe ne kau ko ia. I he whakate ko ia o ahoni unau ke he ni pe koe leire pe whok me ngā hi whakawhewhia ke i Nuku'alofa. Mau te tau at whatawangi ne autona tuki lot whare nā pe koe api. Ke whewhi tu mo me mai me mamani furipe pe ki tongani ki he whaipatungia ko whahako. Tau e whironga ki a pongpongi. I ngai programa ko a pongpongi ka mata pongpongi e hongfulu ano whakama ko ia o e akam so o ko ia. I hala tau whahau. Pea pe woki ke ngahi oa ke he toki whahako ko atua o ko ia. Ki he block party i whawha pongpongi i taimi ono pe woki ki tai me no ave ki ni ke whakalauni ko ia pe mo ball ai mi se la wano a wafa pa fonga te ka whatengia ko ia e veni ki a ba te kisina ve ko ki a pita ta fua me sak pa mo ki o fa ta fe fo ta le tu fua ko sa slaka mo mea